Now we are going to take a look at Module 4 of our Welcome to Email in the Workplace Canvas pre-work course. Let's click on Module 4. So this is sort of an information page about what to expect in our face-to-face session. And the face-to-face session would either be in the classroom or over a virtual platform such as Zoom or Skype. It says in our upcoming face-to-face session, using content from the attached slide deck and workbook, we will learn and discuss best practices for using email in our professional roles. We will be looking at the benefits of well-written emails and tips for creating emails through all stages of the writing process. So here are a couple of screenshots from the course, and when you scroll down, it says please review the slide deck and print the workbook to bring to class with you. So here we can open up our PowerPoint. Well, I'm getting an error message on the PowerPoint. I will have to troubleshoot that. Let's see if we can look at our workbook briefly. So these are the educational materials that go along, and they would print this out. And there's some places they can fill some things in, take some notes during the class. So many of these are straight out of the content, and so it helps them. They can keep this as a reminder of what they've learned and what sort of examples we went through. So that's what Module 4 is. It is more informational for them, and it gives them access to the slide deck and the workbook. So for our last video, we will look at Module 5.